Good morning everyone. So today we are going to start with the co-curricular activity 2 in computers. So as you all know, this is just the revision of the previously taught chapters. So here we are going to write down only those questions which are not given in the previous chapters or which we have not studied till now. So moving on to the first part, answer the following questions verbally. The first one, what do you mean by clip art? This is already given in chapter number 5. Next question is, what do you mean by table? So this question we are going to write down. So a table is a grid of cells table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. You have to write down this question in your copies. Next one is, what do you mean by slide? This question is also given in chapter number 7. Then what is the meaning of flow chart? Chapter number 8, this question is given. So no need of writing those questions which are already repeated. You only have to write down that particular question and answer which I am writing on the board. Now B part is, answer the following questions in brief. First one is, define shapes. Already you have done in chapter number 5. Next is, what are the elements of a table? So now we are going to write down this question. B part, second answer. What are the elements of table? So the elements of table are A part, row. Row is an element of table and the second element is column. Row and column. So now we are going to write down the definition of row as well as columns here. So the horizontal data is called a row. Then column, the vertical data is called a column. So this is the answer of this question. What are the elements of table? There are two elements of table. The first one is row, second one is column. So here, now we have to write down the answer in brief. So we will write down the definition of row as well as column. Now third question, define algorithm. Already given in chapter number 8. Fourth, when do we use process box? This also we have done in chapter number 8. So now only two question answers you are supposed to write down in your copies. That is, the first A part is second question. What do you mean by a table? And in B part also second question. What are the elements of a table? Now moving on towards the fill in the blanks. Table consists of grid of rows and columns. Answer is columns. PowerPoint consists of many slides. Algorithm is a set of sequential steps to solve any logical mathematical problem. Several boxes are used in a flowchart. page down. Page down means moving towards the next slide. So D part answer also I am writing. Page down, next slide. Control plus end of the presentation. End of presentation. This is the shortcut key to end any presentation. Control plus M. In order to add a new slide to our presentation, we are using this shortcut key. Control plus M. So the answer is add new slide. Number 4, page up. Page up means moving towards the previous slide. The next part is control plus move. The function of the shortcut key is beginning of the presentation. Beginning of the presentation. Next one is F5. Function is start slide show. So now we are done with this co-curricular activity 2. So your homework is to write down these question answers in your copies. I repeat, only those question answers which I have written on board. That means only 2 question answers. A part second question and B part second question. Only these 2 question answers you have to write down in your copies, and the fill in the blanks and match the following are to be done only in your books. Then you have to learn this full co-curricular activity 2 very thoroughly. So thank you and have a nice day.